has issued a tornado warning for southern Harrison County in south central Indiana, north central Meade County in central Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Carefree Town, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Harrison and north central Meade counties, including the following locations: Rosewood, Central, New Middletown, Seven Springs, Lottie Corner, Bridgeport, Elizabeth, Valley City, New Amsterdam, and Sugar Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Mom.